Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of tenses. Today I am going to teach the simple future tense in which you will get a lot of structures, so watch till the end. And the verb forms I have already mentioned in the description box, so kindly check it out. Let's begin. The simple future tense, tense number 9. Let's see the definition of tense. The verb form that indicates the time of an event, an action or state is called tense. Definition of simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for expressing an action or a state that is expected to happen or take place sometime in the future. The following adverbs are used to show simple future tense. Tomorrow, next week, next day, next month, next year. Let's compare different sentence formations: positive, negative, interrogative. Okay, this is simple future tense. Future tense means here you have to use auxiliary verbs that are shall, will. Here you have to use first person singular. Positive sentence: I shall prepare food. So with I you can use shall or will also. If you are sure that the thing which is going to happen in future for sure, then you have to use here will with I and we. So both are applicable. I shall prepare food. I subject, shall prepare verb, food object. Negative sentence: I shall not prepare food. Immediately after helping verb or auxiliary verb, that is shall, you have to use not, because we are framing negative sentence. Prepare, that is main verb, that is V1 form, you can say base form, present tense form. Food, that is an object. Interrogative: shall I prepare food? Here you have to change the place of auxiliary verb and subject. So here first shall will come, or if you want to use will, you can. Shall, that is verb, I subject, prepare V1 form, that is main verb, food object, put question mark. First person plural, we shall prepare food. We subject, shall prepare verb, food object. Negative sentence: we shall not prepare food. Here also with we you can use will also. We subject, shall verb, not is given because negative formation. Prepare V1 form or base form or present form. Food object. Interrogative: shall we prepare food? Shall verb, we subject, prepare main verb or V1 form, food object, then put question mark. Second person singular and plural formations will be the same. You will prepare food. You subject, will prepare verb or predicate, food object. Negative: you will not prepare food. You subject, will auxiliary verb, you can say helping verb also or modal auxiliary also. Not, that is negative form, then prepare main verb or V1 form, food object. Interrogative: will you prepare food? Will verb, you subject, prepare main verb, food object, then put question mark. Here for third person singular, he will prepare food. He subject, will prepare verb, food object. Negative: he will not prepare food. He subject, will verb, that is auxiliary verb, not is given because we are framing negative sentence. Prepare main verb or V1 form and then put object, that is food. Interrogative: will he prepare food? Will verb, that is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Right? This is not the main verb. This is called helping verb because this helps the main verb, that is prepare, to indicate the particular tense. That is why that is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. He, that is the subject, prepare main verb or V1 form, food object question mark. She, that is third person singular. She will prepare food. She, subject, will prepare verb, food object. Negative, she will not prepare food. She, subject, will verb, not is given because negative sentence, prepare main verb, food object. Interrogative, will she prepare food, will auxiliary verb, she, subject, prepare main verb, food object, then put question mark. Third person singular, it will mix the sand and the water. It, subject, will mix, verb, the sand and the water object. You can use this it only for non-living thing. Negative form, it will not mix the sand and the water. It, subject, will, verb not is given because negative formation, mix, V1 form, the sand and the water object. Interrogative, will it mix the sand and the water? Will, verb, it, subject, mix, main verb, the sand and the water object. Put question mark. Third person plural, they will prepare food. They, subject, will prepare verb, food object. Negative formation, they will not prepare food. Immediately after auxiliary verb you have to put not. They, that is the subject, will, auxiliary verb, not is given because negative sentence, prepare main verb or V1 or base form, food object. Interrogative, will they prepare food, will, verb, they, subject, prepare main verb, food object, and then put question mark. Let's see more examples. I will go to Thailand next week. So will, that is auxiliary verb, and next week, that is adverb. So with these two you can come to know that this is the sentence related to simple future tense. Winter will come soon. So will, that is auxiliary verb or you can say helping verb. Immediately after that you have to put V1 form of the verb and then soon. Soon, that is an adverb. You will eat cake. Will, that is simple future tense indication, that is auxiliary verb, will. We will cook tomorrow. Will and tomorrow. With these two words we will come to know that this is the example of simple future tense. She will be late. Will be. He will help us later. Will and later. I will miss you when you move to another country. Will. It shows simple future. We think we will be back on Monday. Will be shows simple future. Next year I will buy a new car. Next year, that is an adverb, and will, that is helping verb to show this simple future tense. We shall overcome the problems. Shall is given. So that is auxiliary verb, that is helping verb which shows simple future tense. Let's see the use of be going to construction. This construction we can use to show simple future tense. Be means you have to use is, am or are according to the subject. It means with third person singular, he, she or it, you have to use is, right? First, we are going to have a party. We is given, that is why are is mentioned. So be form, to be form, that is are, and going to construction you have to write are going to have a party. These are going to show simple future tense. Second, I am going to visit my uncle's house in the evening. It shows simple future tense. To indicate this, to show this, you can use this be going to construction. Kagya is going to return the book tomorrow. Is going to. Is written because this Kagya, this is third person singular. That is why is given. Here be form, that is and going to. This indicates simple future tense. The sky is cloudy. It is going to rain. Is going to. My mother is going to prepare breakfast for me. Is going to. Kenny is going to start a new business. So, is going to. This way you can use this be going to construction. Now let's see how to use present continuous tense to show simple future tense. I am staying at home this evening. So here am staying, this is present continuous tense which is used here to show simple future tense. We are having a party next weekend. So are having, this is present continuous tense which is used to show simple future tense. Are you meeting your friends tonight? Are meeting. What are you doing tomorrow evening? Are doing. Present continuous tense. Are you going out tonight? Are going out. Let's see the use of simple present tense to show or to indicate the simple future tense. The train arrives at 7:30 p.m. Here arrives, that is the simple present tense which is used here to show simple future tense. So you can use simple present tense to indicate simple future. What time does the film finish? I go to the office next Monday. The Prime Minister visits Paris tomorrow to meet the French President. So here visits, this is the example of simple present tense which is used here to show simple future tense. Tomorrow is mentioned. Once I board the plane, I won't be able to call you. Board, that is simple present tense which is used here to indicate simple future. Let's see the difference between present continuous and simple present tense in using simple future. Now see the difference. We can use the present continuous tense in simple future when usually for people. For that purpose we can use. Now on the other hand, the simple present tense, if you want to use to show simple future, then that you can use only for timetables, programs and so on. So here see the example of the present continuous. I am going to a concert tomorrow. It is about person. That is why here it is given I am going to. Okay. Whereas here the concert starts at 7:30 p.m. Starts. That is simple present tense. Here it shows time. So timetables and programs you can use the simple present tense in simple future. Okay. Next. What time are you leaving? It is about person. That is why here present continuous tense is used. Whereas here, what time does your train leave? Right? So about timing. So that is why here simple present tense is used. Let's compare simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Simple present tense, I cook. So here V1 form will come. Simple past, I cooked, V2 form. Whereas here simple future tense, I will cook. So here I, that is the subject, will auxiliary, you can say helping verb, model auxiliary, anything. Okay, and then cook. So this is verb, this is V1 form, that is simple future tense. Same way, you laugh, simple present tense, simple past tense, you laugh, V2 form. Simple future tense, will or shall you have to put, and immediately after that you have to put V1 form of the verb. He works, simple present tense. Simple past, he worked, V2 form. Simple future tense, here he will work. So will auxiliary, and then this is main verb, that is V1 form. Simple present tense, she types. Why she types? S is given because this is third person singular she. That is why types. She types. Simple past, she type. V2 form. Simple future tense, she will type. Will auxiliary, type, V1 form. Simple present tense, they watch. V1 form, watch, that is V1 form. Simple past tense, they watched. V2 form. Simple future tense, they will watch. Will auxiliary, watch, V1 form. Raj sleeps. This is simple present tense. Raj slept. This is the example of simple past, that is V2 form. Slept, that is V2 form of sleep. Simple future tense, Raj will sleep. Will auxiliary verb, and sleep, that is V1 form. Here we end our session. Hope you learned a lot from this session. Watch till the end to get mastery over tenses as well as variety of sentence formations. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.